Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your ASUS router red light. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your internet down, WAN cable and firmware. Fix 1. Restart the router. Turn off your ASUS router. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn the router on. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and check if the red light turns off. Fix 2. Check the Internet cable. Make sure the Ethernet cable from your modem is securely connected to the router's WAN port. Check the cable for damage. If possible, try a different Ethernet cable. Fix 3. Restart the modem. Turn off your modem, unplug it for 30 seconds. Turn it back on and wait until all the internet lights are stable. Restart your ASUS router. Fix 4. Update the router firmware. Open a web browser and go to router.asus.com or 192.168.50.1. Sign in to the router's admin page. Go to administration and then go to firmware upgrade. Install any available firmware updates and restart the router. Fix 5. Reset the router. Keep the router powered on. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the router to restart. Set up the router again. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.